Making smart choices, the power of data-driven decisions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting and incredibly useful concept, data-driven decision-making. This approach is transforming how individuals and businesses operate, ensuring choices are not just based on gut feelings but on hard, concrete evidence. If you've ever wondered how to make more informed decisions in your life or work, you're in the right place. At its core, a data-driven decision is one that is backed up by verifiable data. Instead of relying on intuition or personal experience alone, individuals or companies look at the numbers, trends, and facts before making a choice. This method has gained popularity because it tends to lead to more effective and objective decisions. Why is it important? In today's world, we have access to more information than ever before. Utilizing this data allows us to make choices that are not just safe but also strategically advantageous. From choosing which new product to launch, to deciding the best teaching methods for students, data is making our decisions smarter and more results-oriented. Making a data-driven decision involves several key steps. 1. Collecting data. This is the process of gathering information relevant to the decision at hand. It could be customer feedback, sales reports, or any other type of data. 2. Analyzing data. Once data is collected, it needs to be analyzed. This means looking for patterns, trends, and insights that can inform the decision-making process. 3. Making the decision. With the analysis in hand, you can make a decision that is informed by the data. This step involves weighing the evidence and possibly even using predictive models to forecast outcomes. 4. Implementing and monitoring. After the decision is made, it's implemented. However, the process doesn't stop there. Continuous monitoring is essential to ensure the decision yields the expected results, adjusting the course as necessary based on new data. Benefits. Increased objectivity. Decisions are based on facts, reducing the influence of bias. Improved outcomes. With data, predictions become more accurate, leading to better results. Efficiency. Data can highlight the most effective strategies, saving time and resources. Challenges. Data quality. For data-driven decisions to be reliable, the data must be accurate and relevant. Over-reliance on data. It's important to remember that data should inform decisions, not make them. Human judgment still plays a crucial role. Privacy concerns. Collecting and using data must be done ethically, respecting individuals' privacy. We hope this video has shed some light on the powerful concept of data-driven decision-making. By embracing this approach, you can make choices that are not just informed but also impactful. Remember, in the age of information, leveraging data is key to staying ahead and making decisions that truly make a difference. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.